Good morning, guys. It's day 2 on the cruise ship. We woke up pretty late because we just want to sleep in. Plus, the room gets really dark.
It's really nice.
When you don't have a balcony. So, you don't really have a concept of like morning. This morning, they're having the low
casino
table entries. So
let's hit that casino, babe.
Yeah, I don't think we're allowed to film in there, so we'll just let you know afterwards how we did. Really cloudy, so it was kind of like chilly after we got out from the hot tub. And also, I've just been feeling like crap. Like, I don't know if it was the food we ate last night, because usually I can handle a lot of food, and even if it's bad.
Oh, it was for sure.
But maybe I think the butter. I think it was because I had a lot of that butter.
That butter was heavy.
And it's messed up my stomach. So just to feel way better, I'm gonna go run. Fernando is going to play soccer because they're having like a little soccer tournament. It's a good day to go play soccer. Yeah. It's not blasting like the sun.
Yesterday was so bright.
He was dying yesterday playing basketball because the sun was like blaring down at him. Also, good news. We left the casino with some money up. Yeah, we could have left with more, but at least we didn't break even or go under, which is really nice. So now I can get some drinks and not feel too guilty. I'm thinking a strawberry daiquiri.
Ooh.
The drink of the day is, what is it? Azul margarita.
Margarita
I think he's going to get that.
Yeah,
another thing I wanted to note that I'm kind of disappointed. Kind of low-key disappointed, is that whenever we go on a cruise, every time they make our broom, they leave like this cute like towel animal, like whether it's an elephant or a monkey or something, and the guy is like not doing it. I'm like,
it puts a little smile on your face.
No, really, like it's like every other cruise we've been on 2, but like, and I've seen people who do cruise vlogs, they've gotten that animal, so I'm just like, that's not cool, man, not cool. Not happy about that, but oh well.
No, other than that, those cruises are amazing.
Yeah, everything's been so good.
Alright, babe.
Alright.
Before they stop playing soccer, I'm gonna get out of
here.
here.
It looks like the clouds are getting better too, so. Alright, see ya. I'll come pick you up.
Yep.
Alright, guys, let's change and go to the gym. It's Sunday. I got a really good run in. Feel much better. We just ate a light lunch. We're going to an escape room at 4. We wanted to try this one. It's like a submarine theme, so it should be really fun.
Really fun. Give it a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, it was really
Yeah, it was really different.
It was a good way to get to know people.
Yeah, we actually went into the room with like 8 other people, so it was really fun. And we finished in time with 11 minutes, 11 seconds left. So that was cool. Other than that, now
Tonight is formal night.
Yeah, Mariana's getting ready for formal night. Look at her, they're getting all sexy. She's getting ready for formal night, and so what's the plan?
Which is what you should be doing.
Yeah. So what's the plan? We're gonna go.
Well, there's an ice skate show. There's no reservation. It's like first come, first serve. And I really want to see it at some point. But there's one tonight at 7:15. So I was thinking maybe we could see it either before or after we eat. we have the Hairspray Broadway show at 10:30. Hey guys, so as you can see, I decided to go with that same dress from yesterday. I only got to wear this for like an hour yesterday before I changed, and I think it's so cute. It's so cruisy, and I just wanted to wear it more, so I'm just wearing the same exact outfit yesterday. Little bit of different makeup. My hair is curled, so I really like this, so I had to try it on again. Fernando's taking a shower right now. Let me get in front of a light. So I started feeling super seasick while putting on my makeup and doing my hair. It was so bad. I'm gonna be taking these off, but these are the C-bands. I was just trying to do anything to help alleviate it because my stomach's not feeling great right now. It's currently 6:45. We're gonna try to make the ice skate show, and then we're gonna go to dinner, the formal dinner. Tonight's formal night. We're gonna go to the main dining room, so I'll take you guys there, and then we have a Hairspray show, and finally Hairspray the Broadway show. That would be really, really fun. And finally we would have a hush party at midnight, which is like a silent party that everyone listens to music on their headphones, so it's pretty cool. A lot going on tonight, and we're so excited to take you guys along with us.
All right, guys.
Just another Tuesday.
Just another Tuesday. So
it's only Sunday. Okay, tell me about it.
So, Ariel's. Express, and Pacquiao.
Yeah, you wore those yesterday.
Yeah.
You look good though.
Thanks.
Very excited for tonight. We have a lot to do. A show, then dinner, then another show, then a party. Party to party. Yeah. Silently. Alright guys. Whew, I'm feeling a little bit queasy from the movement, to be quite honest. Hopefully that passes. Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
You thought I was talking to you, right?
Yeah.
Let's go.
This is the language of skating, which has allowed me to express myself. Music, movement, speed, and flow frees me to be me.
like you could use a stiff one.
Hey guys, we didn't have any transitions in those last couple clips because we were so rushed from back to back to back. We actually couldn't even make the hush party. The show ended a lot later than we expected it to. It's already like 12:15, so the party like already started. So we're just gonna go another night and make sure to get there super early so we're not waiting this really long line. Dinner was really, really good. We ate in the main dining room today.
Beef tenderloins.
Yeah, it was really good.
Really good, juicy.
It's one of the complimentary dining rooms here on Royal Caribbean, and the show was really cool. It was really fun.
It was funny.
We really
too.
enjoyed it. Yeah, it was really funny.
Yeah.
Adult humor, but it's like very discreet. And then what else did we do? Oh, the ice skating show was pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
Tomorrow is our anniversary.
Actually, it's our anniversary right now.
Yeah, it's our happy 1 year, baby.
Yeah.
1 year of marriage. Oh, that's, I didn't even realize it.
I don't know it was midnight.
Yeah, that's crazy. So we're gonna have a really fun day and take you guys along. Right now we're just chilling at the area where the aqua feeder show is. I'm gonna show you guys. It's really nice. We're gonna come here for a show within the week. And this is where the abyss slide was that we went on already. But we're gonna get some GoPro footage of it. That's super cool. That's where we zip lined to across there. How are you liking the trip so far?
10 out of 10.
Day 2 over.
I'm having a great time.
Oh, and that's where the rock climbing is. Look at that. So cool.
Is that where the captain is up there in the TV?
I don't know. Maybe that's the bridge. We're just gonna go to the room, hang out, maybe watch a movie. The camera battery's about to die. And then we'll see you guys tomorrow for day 3.
Have a great night, guys.
Bye.
We got Sonic the Hedgehog. Oh yeah. Turn around. Yeah. She took 10 steps.
It wasn't 10 steps for me, it's like 20.
Yeah.
Guys, I know we ended the vlog, but I had to get this on video.
We got a baby elephant.
And it's his favorite animal. Look, is he? It's a baby elephant. He came in. It's like he heard me, okay? Very good job, good job.